FreeCad. Let's start with the big one. If you wanted to become a mechanical engineer or product designer using the industry standard software, SolidWorks Standard alone runs around $4,200 for a single perpetual license, and that's before you add simulation tools or pay for a subscription just to keep getting updates. FreeCad does the same job for $0, and as of the 1.1 release, it is not the clunky hobbyist tool people remember from a few years back. You get a real parametric part design workbench. Sketch a profile, constrain it, extrude it, and every downstream feature updates automatically the moment you change a dimension, exactly like SolidWorks. There's a built-in assembly workbench for mating parts together with actual 3D constraints, a sketcher with full geometric and dimensional constraints, an FEM workbench for stress testing parts before you manufacture them, and native support for STEP and IG's files, so you can hand your work off to any shop or client running paid CAD software, and they will never know the difference. That's one professional engineering license, gone. FreeCad alone just saved you around $4,200. Audacity. Adobe Audition, the industry tool for cleaning up and editing audio, runs about $23 a month on its own. Call it $275 a year just to touch it. Audacity has been the free alternative for over 2 decades, and it still does what most podcasters, musicians, and editors actually need. Multi-track recording and editing, a built-in noise reduction tool that strips a hum or a hiss out of a recording in 2 clicks, spectral analysis so you can see exactly where a problem frequency is hiding, and support for VST and LADSPA plugins, so you can bolt on the same third-party effects professionals use. Record a voiceover, cut the dead air, normalize your levels, export as WAV or MP3, and that's a complete podcast or voiceover workflow. It has never once asked anyone for a subscription. DaVinci Resolve. Adobe Premiere Pro is another $23 a month, and that's assuming you don't need any of Adobe's other apps too. DaVinci Resolve's free version is honestly the best deal on this entire list because it is not just a video editor. It's 4 professional tools stitched into one program. The edit page handles your timeline, cuts, and transitions. The color page runs on the same color science DaVinci uses on actual Hollywood films and Netflix shows. Fairlight is a full multi-track audio mixing suite built right in. And Fusion is a node-based compositor for visual effects and motion graphics that would normally mean buying a separate app just for that. A few advanced color and team collaboration tools do live behind the one-time studio upgrade, but for the huge majority of creators, everything you need to finish a video to a professional standard is already unlocked for free. OBS Studio. Here's a fun one because this app is probably responsible for a big chunk of the videos on YouTube right now, including maybe the one you're watching. Paid screen recording software like Camtasia runs about $180 a year for the tier that actually removes the watermark. Want to stream on top of that? Streamlabs paid Ultra tier is another $189 a year. OBS Studio does both jobs at once, completely free. You build your layout out of sources, webcam, screen, browser overlay, and image, stack them into scenes, and switch between them live with a hotkey. Add filters directly onto any source, chroma key to pull your green screen, noise suppression on your mic, color correction on your webcam. Hit record for a local file, or drop in a stream key and go live straight to YouTube or Twitch. Half the big streamers you watch and a huge number of the screen recorders on this platform are either running OBS directly or running software that was literally built on top of it. Penport. Figma's professional plan runs about $16 a seat every month, so a small design team can be paying close to $200 a year per person just to open the software. Penport is a fully open-source design tool that runs right in your browser, and it was actually built specifically as a Figma alternative. The same frame and component-based workflow, real-time multiplayer editing, so your whole team can work in one file together, plus something Figma won't give you for free. Penport exports clean CSS and SVG code straight from your design, because under the hood it's built on open web standards instead of a locked proprietary format. If you're designing interfaces, prototyping an app, or building a design system, Penport gets you there without a single seat license. Bitwarden. 1Password just raised its prices this year, and its individual plan now runs close to $48 a year for one person. Bitwarden's free plan gives you unlimited passwords, synced across unlimited devices, protected with the same AES 256 encryption paid password managers use, and it costs nothing. Permanently, not a trial. It has a built-in password generator, autofill on desktop and mobile, and passkey support. Here's the part most people never think about. Bitwarden is fully open source. Its encryption code is public and independently audited, which means security researchers can actually verify there is no backdoor, something you simply cannot do with a closed-source competitor, no matter how much you're paying them. Want built-in two-factor codes or emergency access? Premium is about $20 a year. Either way, you keep more of your money and get a more transparent product doing it. 7-Zip. WinRAR is a one-time $29 per license, but here's the part everyone jokes about. Technically, WinRAR never actually stops working after its 40-day trial. It just throws up a nag screen every single time you open it, guilt-tripping you into paying forever if you never do. 7-Zip skips that whole game. It's completely free, compresses into its own 7Z format at a higher ratio than RAR or ZIP in most benchmarks, and still opens and creates practically every archive format you'll run into: ZIP, RAR, TAR, gzip, ISO, and more. Simple interface, right-click integration in Windows Explorer, and a command-line version if you want to automate compression inside a script. Zero cost, zero nagging. Inkscape. Illustrator is, like the rest of Adobe's single apps, about $23 a month, another $275 a year for one program. Inkscape is a full vector graphics editor built natively around SVG, the open format the entire web actually runs on. You get proper path editing with Boolean operations like union, difference, and intersection, text that converts cleanly to editable paths, gradient and pattern fills, and a whole library of extensions for things like generating barcodes or laser-cutting files, logos, icons, illustrations, print-ready vector art. Anything you'd reach for Illustrator to do, Inkscape has a tool for it, and every file you make opens in a format that isn't locked to one company. Visual Studio Code. A JetBrains license for one of their professional IDEs starts around $250 a year per person, and their All Products pack, which bundles every IDE they make, climbs a lot higher than that for commercial use. Here's the twist. Visual Studio Code is already one of the most used code editors among professional developers on the planet, and it's completely free. Open source extension marketplace with tens of thousands of add-ons, a built-in terminal so you never have to leave the editor, native Git integration for committing and pushing code, a real step-through debugger, and IntelliSense autocomplete that understands your codebase as you type. It even does remote development. Connect to a server or a container over SSH and code on it as if it were sitting right on your desk. Stable video diffusion. Last one, and it's the option most people don't even know exists. Runway's Pro plan for AI video generation runs about $28 a month, and that's on a credit system, so heavy use burns through it fast. Stable Video Diffusion is Stability AI's open-source video generation model, and the difference is fundamental. Instead of renting access to someone else's server and paying per credit, you download the model and run it on your own hardware. Feed it a still image, and it generates several seconds of coherent motion from it, camera pans, natural movement, animated stills, all processed locally and privately, with no subscription and no credit meter ticking down. I'll be straight with you, this one takes more setup than the rest of this list. You'll want a decent GPU and some comfort with a tool like Comfy UI to get it running. But spend 20 minutes setting it up once, and you own an AI video generator outright, forever, with nobody metering how much you're allowed to create. The reveal. All right, let's actually add this up. SolidWorks, about $4,200. Adobe Audition, $275 a year. Premiere Pro, another $275. Camtasia Plus, a streaming subscription, roughly $370. Figma, about $190. 1Password, $48. WinRAR, $29, one time. Illustrator, $275. A JetBrains license, $250. And Runway, over $330 a year. Add all of that together, and replacing every single one of those professional tools would cost you more than $6,000 in year one alone. I promised you $4,000 in the title. We just blew past that by over $2,000 more, and every tool I showed you today is free, forever. No trial, no watermark, no credit card. If this just saved you real money, do me a favor and hit subscribe, because I'm going to keep finding the free tools that professionals don't want you to know about. Drop a comment with which one of these 10 you're installing first. I'll see you in the next one.